Are you guys having fun?
Grabe, alam mo, Kuya Dong, si Coach Jules parang nag-have fun sa song choice eh. Sobrang grabe, sobrang di namin in-expect yung last song na yun. Pero both si Marian tsaka si Arian deliver their best in this show tonight. So sobrang congratulations.
Arian, lupit mo talaga. Medyo nagsisisi ako dito sa batang to.
Marian, yung performance mo ngayon ay maraming mapapaiyak nung narinig yung rendition mo kasi maraming dinededicate yung kantang yan sa mga minamahal nila sa buhay. Hindi siya madali para i-translate na galing sa bata. Pero there was the authenticity, yung may pagkatotoo. Because honestly, how can someone sing something that heartbreaking and how personal is this song to a lot of people? And sa murang edad mo, I think you really did an excellent job. Really, really good. Dito naman kay Arian, nasiraan ka ba ng baliw?
Ba ano?
sa edad ko ngayon, hindi ko na-expect na pwedeng ganun mga kanta sa isang kompetisyon. For some reason, Arian, it worked to your advantage. It really works. Nakuha mo. And not just girls had fun. Us boys, we had fun too. So we had fun sa performance mo. To the both of you, good luck sa inyo. Coach Julie! Ang laki ng problema mo ngayon, girl.